We have a first upper molar that needs root canal treatment with highly calcified pulp chamber and root canals. So first I remove all the previous filling, and now it's time to find the pulp chamber. So now you can see the floor of the pulp chamber, which is calcified. So I decide to use MHN for finding the point of penetration. So we try to indent the dentin in places that we are suspicious about the place of the pulp chamber, calcified pulp chamber. Here there is some connection here. Okay, good. So let's now go further in this particular point. It is also very important to make sure that when we discover such a point that there is no short circuit because of the wetness of the area. So the area looks dry to me. So ultrasonic, we navigate a bit more in this area very gently. So I dig through this area, and as you can see here, now we have the connection in this area and in this area. So now that means we enter the pulp chamber and we need to remove the roof of the pulp chamber using this penetration point as a guide for that purpose. The roof of the pulp chamber has been removed without injuring the floor of the pulp chamber. Now it is time to use microhole negotiator for detecting the canals and locating the hidden distobuccal canal. So this is the mediobuccal canal. This is obviously the plateau, so you can see the connection is very good. So I touch all the area to find the orifice of the distal. Here I was suspicious about it. It's not here. And so here we have connection. It looks like that we have the orifice of the distal canal here.